WBS is already established in Excel report. Now you want to generate that WBS in Primavera P6. There is a manual way, there is an automatic way. So in today's video, I'm going to explain how automatically transfer your data of WBS from Excel sheet into Primavera P6. Stay there till the end of today's video because this is really valuable video for all those engineers, planning engineers, site engineers, construction managers, because this is something gonna help you a lot. So before getting into the detail of today's video, I would request you people to subscribe this channel so that in future, if I'm going to make any relevant or skill oriented video, you get that link on time. Well, my name is Engineer Waqas Ahmed and I'm the coach trainer for project planning control using Primavera P6. So let's start. How to automatically transfer your WBS data from Excel into Primavera P6. So these are the certain steps you have to follow. First of all, you have to structure your WBS data in your Excel report. So for that, I am going to share with you, the step by step, all the things you have to follow them, right? So before getting into the detail of today's video, I would request that I have already maintained many other videos which are going to help you to learn manually add WBS within Primavera P6. You can visit this video details there. You can find multiple productive links about Primavera P6 features and all that. So step number one, you have to maintain your Excel data by yourself. And you have to add certain columns, right? These columns are, WBS ID, WBS short name or codes. Then there is WBS parent and WBS description. So for that, I will be sharing with you Primavera P6 based, this Excel based template. Right now, you can see WBS ID, WBS short name code, WBS parent and description, right? So these columns you have developed. Now, here the same thing, you are going to add your WBS description. Right now you can see this is my airport construction project. So as of now, I can just mention here, this is my top level WBS engineering, right? And I can just highlight like this way. This is my procurement. I have actually added all of these things to save your time, right? So you can just give your information in Excel column under WBS description. So this is our top level WBS. Now this is our second level of WBS and you can color it differently. This is your engineering documents and these are your drawings, design, right? Drawings. This is your second level of WBS. This bulk material is also your second level. I'm highlighting them just to make you understand, because like this, maybe you are not going to get them easily, right? So long lead items are also third level. So this second level, this is your next level, right? So that is how your WBS is going to work. Civil work is the second level. You can color them just for your easy to go, right? These civil things are there. Then there is mechanical works. You can color this one and just easily you can manage this data. Then there is electrical and all that. See? So that is how you are going to add all of your WBS over here. Okay. And apart from this step, the next thing, what you need to add, you have to add their concerning codes, like in this column number B. This is the, APT, ENG, engineering documents are project documents, PD, HSE, PSP, project scheduling planning, DD, CSD, civil and structural drawings, AD, even many projects, they are going to give you WBS codes, WBS abbreviations. You can consult with that index, document. So MEP, drawings, procurement, bulk items, long lead items, passenger boarding bridges, baggage handling systems, X-ray machines, construction. C stands for civil works. You can add CW because then earthwork. Then F stands for foundations, then this C. So you can add all of these codes under this column. Now you are going to add here 1, 2, just drag this down. You have to give numbering to this all area in a sequence. Okay, 41 items. Now what you need to add over here. See, now engineering is actually relevant or added, or it's under the parent of, this is the parent for top level WBS engineering. So parent WBS will be 1. 1 is the top project name. Engineering is following that one. Now the procurement, construction is also following that one, and procurement is also going to follow that one. Now engineering documents are, for engineering documents, the parent is number 2. From here you have to pick this number and have to add over here. See, because this engineering is parent for this one. So the code ID for this one will be here 2. See, and the same, the parent for engineering document. See, this is HSE document. For this one, the parent is engineering documents. So you are going to add number 3. So that is where you have to work in Primavera P6. When you are going to manually add WBS,
That is pretty much easy but time taking. But here in Excel, you have to use your mind. You are, visualizing the things. Even project schedule planning is also under the parent of engineering documents. This one, number three, design is under engineering, because engineering will be divided into engineering documents and design. So it will be under two. Okay, I hope you can understand the concept. If you don't understand, you should go and watch my manually edition of WBS in Primavera P6 and see, because design and drawing, see this one, I will highlight engineering documents, and this one over here, this at the same level. Both are linked with the engineering. See, engineering is number two here. So that is why design drawings are having parent WBS ID 2. Okay, civil structural drawings are actually under this one. So this will be 6, it will be also 6, 6, and so on. See, procurement itself is following the major phase, is following the top level 1. So bulk items are going to have 10 number over here, 10. It's also following 10. But these are passenger, these are long lead items following long lead items. See, these passenger baggage X-ray, this will be under long lead items, 12 number, right? So like this one, and this one. See, so construction is having number 16. So here civil works are number 16, mechanical works are number 16, and there is electrical and instrumentation. So likewise, you can see all this data is filled with their parent WBS, and all that data is done. Okay, so you have to maintain this Excel structure of your WBS data with these certain 4 columns. And there is always code will be given by the companies, right? You have to follow that one. All you need to follow the coloring, just make for your easy to go and give the relevant parent WBS, pick the number from here and allocate over here, right? There you have to use your mind. Once it's done, step by step. Now the second thing, Primavera P6 file is already created there. Okay, if you are new on Primavera P6, you can click the link given in the video details and you can watch those videos, how to operate Primavera P6, how to launch your first file. That is a complete playlist link given there. And after that one, export it. So that's what I'm going to do here. So we are going to make it export a file. I'm going to export it. So here we are, next, project next, export, and there we are. Under this one, you can see, you can just place it over here. Okay, finish, right? And it's exported actually. So right now, the next one, I have to open that XZR file in Notepad, right? So here I am, and I can just right click here, Notepad, and this file is open here. See, I will be sharing this file over here, and we can see this file is already open there. So what I need now, I have to open another Excel sheet, and I have to copy from here. See, from this code, I have to copy it, and I have to open one more Excel sheet, right? And here we are, see, and I have to paste it over here. Okay, so it's pasted. Just make sure that how many cells it's taking, so that, okay, so it's actually taking AA. Okay, so all that is copy pasted. Now what I need to do here, I have to add that Excel sheet over here. See, the one I have created over here. So I have to copy this WBS ID from here and see, Control C, and just get back to that sheet, which is copy from that, and just under this WBS ID, okay? Make it like this way, see? And project ID will be going drag down the same way. OBS same, sequence number is same. Establish weightages. If you are going to take weightages along with your WBS, you have to prepare weightages as well as per your this engineering level, procurement level, construction level wise weightages will be distributed over here. But as of now, we are not going to take any kind of thing about weightages. So here you have to take care about to place no and n here as well. I'm gonna drag it down together all for a once. See over here. And yes, and like this way. Now WBS, again same thing. So here is WBS short name. So this will be copy from short name. Where is short name? See, so from here, even you can take from APT, let's say, you can take it, let's start it. Okay, from here, Control C, and you can copy it to the, okay, just Control V. Okay, and then you have WBS name. So take WBS name. over here. Okay. So copy this one, Control C, and here we are. Okay. WBS name. Okay. Airport construction project and so on. See? And then ID, no need to do anything. And then there is WBS ID. And what I'm going to do now, parent WBS, right? Parent WBS. So what I'm going to do now is something from here. See? You have to add from here one. Okay, copy. I'm going to skip the first one. See, this is the project title. So you also follow the same thing. Okay. So here we are. So that is how I'm going to make it. Okay. So what the next step, let me share with you step by step. I have opened in the notepad. I have identified this is from person T project WBS, right? The way I have copied from notepad into the Excel, the lower one I have copied into the Excel, and then we have, adjust our data, in that from our initial Excel sheet into this one. And now we are going to add this complete data into our Primavera P6 XDR file. But before than that, there is one important thing. I need to cut it from here, put it to the last, next to the last line over here. And then I'm going to drag R till the end, or just one cell before the E percentage is there. See? So now I have to copy all of this data. Okay, just make sure nothing should be missed out. So till AA, and I have to go down there and here, see? Make sure everything is Control C. And now I'm going to make it in our notepad over here. See, I'm gonna make it copy paste. See, Control V. Are you ready? So here we are. See, now it is pasted over here. See, all these things we have manually developed in Excel sheet, and then we are. Now I'm going to close it. First of all, we are going to save it, and then we are going to close it, right? So now this is the time we need to understand, we have to import it, right? This is the time we are going to import within Primavera P6, and here we are. File, I'm going to import this one, next, and yes, 1 minute, yes, next. So there is, this file is there, just 1 minute. Okay, this one, open, next, and yes, update existing project and import to this file. This is the project name, right? Import to this project. Next, yes, okay, next, finish, and it's all done. See, the all project is imported. And if I can take you into the WBS, you can see over here all the coding as per you see. So WBS coding is very important, like first the engineering phase, then the document name. Engineering phase, document name, and further document details. So that is how WBS codes are managed over here. And very simple way, but first you have to understand the structure of WBS, how industry is working in planning and control, how these codes are being developed. So there is a complete philosophy of project planning control. And if you want to learn these things in professional way, you can join my Primavera P6 project planning control training programs as well. You can write in the comment section area. And there are many more things I have given in my video details, right? So you can start watching them before getting enrolled. And of course, these are going to be live training sessions, which are going to enhance your career, and upgrade your mindset and upgrade your career level as well. See you in my next video. Thank you very much.